Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Cecilia and I am so excited to have you here today. Can you believe it? We are officially entered the last 100 days of 2024. Time is flying, but instead of waiting for the new year to start fresh, I am committed to using these last 100 days to transform myself. In this video, I'll be sharing exactly how I'm going to do that, step by step. From doing a life audit to building new routines to working on 2 key goals, I am diving deep into what this transformation looks like for me. And I am inviting you to come along with me on this journey. So let's get into it. Why the last 100 days matter? You know, there's something so special about the last 100 days of the year. It's a unique opportunity to reflect, reset, and realign. For so many of us, we wait for January 1st to make changes, but I am all about using the time we have right now to build momentum. I've had years where I just coast through the last few months, but not this time. The way we finish the year sets the tone for the year ahead. So I am making sure that these next 100 days are intentional and filled with purpose. Whether you're feeling stuck or you just want to finish the year strong, this is our chance to do something amazing. Reflecting on 2024 so far. Before I dive into my plan, I want to take a moment to reflect on 2024 so far. It's been a year of growth for me, but it was also filled with a lot of challenges. There have been moments where I felt super aligned with my goals, but I also had a lot of setbacks, especially balancing motherhood, my personal growth journey, and my business. And you know what? That's okay. Every experience had led me to this point. So I encourage you to think about your own year. What have you learned? What are you proud of? What didn't go as planned? This reflection step is crucial because it helps us understand where we are right now before we can move forward. Doing a life audit. Alright, so the first step in my transformation is doing a life audit. If you've never heard of a life audit, let me break it down for you. It's basically a way to take a deep, honest look at every area of your life. Your relationships, health, career, finances, habits, mindset, everything. The goal is to assess what's working and what's not, and where you can make improvements. For me, this life audit is about getting clear on where I have been putting my energy and deciding what needs to change or be released. It's a chance to let go of anything that's not serving me anymore. I will be sitting down with my journal and asking myself tough questions like, am I prioritizing the right things? What habits are holding me back? Or what am I really passionate about? So if you want to see how I do my life audit and want to use the same format as me, I will put this video up there so you could see how I do my own life audit. So I highly recommend you try this for yourself. You might be surprised by what comes up. Building new routines. Once I have done my life audit and I have a clear picture of where I am, the next step is to build new routines. So routines are everything. They shape our days, and our days ultimately shape our lives. So over the next 100 days, I am creating routines that align with the person I want to become, with the person I am becoming. So for example, for my morning routine, I am focusing on mindfulness and planning. I am talking about like a mix of meditation and setting intention for the days ahead. Evenings are going to be all about unwinding and reflecting and reading, whether that's through journaling, reading, or practicing gratitude. It's not about having a rigid schedule, but rather creating consistency in the habits that support my growth. I want my routines to feel nourishing and sustainable. So I'm not going to put 10,000 things in my routine so I'm not able to do them. It's going to be simple and straight to the point. I've decided to focus on two main goals for the last 100 days. Why just two? Because I've learned from experience that trying to juggle too many things leads to burnout, at least for me, and frustration, a lot of it. So I will be keeping it very simple. One of my goals is to focus on my business. Starting the business, building the business, continue with the idea, generate income, all those kind of things. But first, at least start the business before the end of the years in those 100 days. And hopefully, why not having 2 or 3 clients before the end of the year. Another goal is to focus on myself, on my elevating myself, on my growth and on my glow up journey as a woman and as a mother. I want to be taking care of myself overall, whether it is focusing on my mental health, on my physical health, on my nutrition. I want to document my journey here and share my journey with you guys. I could build a deeper connection with all of you. I am committed to creating more valuable content that aligns with my journey to also help you along your own personal journey. So by focusing on just those two goals, I am able to give them my full attention and energy without feeling scattered. Accountability and community. Now, one of the most important parts of this journey is accountability. Transformation doesn't just happen in isolation. It's so much easier, and it's also more fun when we have support. So that's where you guys come in. I will be sharing updates with you every step of the way. I would love for you guys to join me as well. If you're ready to transform too, let's do this together. Maybe comment below on one thing that you want to commit to over the next 100 days. Let's hold each other accountable and let's build this incredible community of support. I will be checking in with you and we can all motivate each other to stay on track. Deep dive into mindset and manifestation. Mindset is everything. As all of you know, manifestation and mindset are key parts of my life. Over the next 100 days, I will be doubling down on my daily affirmations, visualization practices, and truly aligning my thoughts with the reality I want to create. It's not just about thinking positive, it's also about feeling, believing, and acting in a way that supports the life that I'm manifesting. So every day I will be spending time visualizing the abundance, the peace, and the love that I want in my life. I'm speaking it into existence. If you never tried manifestation, now is the perfect time to start. I will be sharing some of my favorite affirmations and practices with you. Self-love and inner growth. And finally, I am focusing on self-love and inner growth. This is the core of everything, to my opinion. Over the next 100 days, I'm going to continue healing, trusting myself, and embracing who I am. It's about celebrating every small win, forgiving myself for any misstep, and showing up as my most authentic self. Self-love isn't always easy, but it's so important. I will be using daily affirmations, journaling, and meditation to nurture my inner growth. If you've been struggling with self-love, I encourage you to join me on this journey. It's a lifelong practice, but it's one that's so worth it, to my opinion. As always, thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I am so excited to see how the next 100 days unfold. how the next 100 day unfold, and I am more excited to have you guys along the ride. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any update. We're in this together. Until next time, I'm sending you all love, light, and so much positive energy. Let's finish 2024 strong.